In this video, we are going to discuss about the ionic radius. In the last video, we have seen atomic radius. Remember, ionic radius is quite similar to that of the atomic radius. The difference between these two is nothing but there we have seen the radius of the atom. Here we are going to see the radius of ion. Let us see the definition first. The distance between the nucleus and the electron in the outermost shell of an ion is considered as ionic radius. In the last video, we have seen about the atomic radius. The distance between the nucleus and the electrons present in the outermost shell is considered as atomic radius. Here also, the distance between the nucleus and the electrons present in the outermost shell is considered as the ionic radius. In atomic radius, we have seen the radius of the atom, but in ionic radius, we are going to see the radius of an ion. There are two types of ions. One is cation and the other one is anion. Cation has positive charge whereas anion has negative charge. When a neutral atom loses one or more electron, a positive ion called cation is formed. When an electron is removed from an atom, the positive charge is attained by the atom. If you see the example, if we remove an electron from the sodium atom gets converted into Na+. This is nothing but the positively charged particle, and this is considered as cation, that too sodium cation. The ionic radius of cation is lesser than that of the neutral atom because the cation has higher effective nuclear charge. As the electrons are removed from the atom, the positive charge is developed on the atom, and as the positive charge is developed, the nuclear charge increases. That is nothing but when an electron is removed, the number of electrons get decreased and the effect of the nucleus onto the remaining electrons increases, because of which the ionic radius decreases. As the positive charge increases, ionic radius decreases. This is the reason why the cation has less radius when compared to that of the neutral atom. Let us see an example. Always remember, the sodium atom has greater atomic radius when compared to that of the sodium ion. Among the cations also, as the positive charge increases, the ionic radius decreases. Remember, ionic radius is inversely proportional to positive charge. As the positive charge increases, ionic radius decreases. Let us see an example. If we compare the ionic radius of Fe+2 and Fe+3, Fe+2 has greater ionic radius when compared to that of Fe+3. This is because Fe+3 has higher charge. As the charge of Fe+3 is more when compared to that of Fe+2, the force of attraction between the electrons and the nucleus in Fe+3 is more, because of which the ionic radius decreases. Let us see anions. Anions are nothing but when a neutral atom gains an electron, it gets converted into negatively charged particle, which is considered as anion. For example, the chlorine atom, after gaining an electron, get converted into Cl-. Here Cl- is nothing but anion. If we see the ionic radius of anions is more when compared to that of the neutral atom. This is because of the decrease in effective nuclear charge. In cation, the effective nuclear charge increases, whereas in anion, because of increase in negative charge, the force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost shell decreases, because of which the ionic radius increases. Remember, in anion, ionic radius increases, whereas in cation, ionic radius decreases. There in cation, as the positive charge increases, ionic radius decreases, but in anions it is quite opposite. Here, as the negative charge increases, the ionic radius also increases. Let us see an example. If we compare the ionic radius of O2- and O-, the ionic radius of O2- is greater when compared to that of O-. This is because the anion charge increases, ionic radius also increases. If we compare the decreasing order of radii, always the anion has greater size when compared to that of the atom, and atom has greater size when compared to that of cation. Remember, anion has larger size and cation has smaller size. For example, H- has greater ionic radius when compared to that of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen atom has greater atomic radius when compared to that of H plus ion. Here we have a tabular form in which the largest and the smallest anion, cation and atoms are represented. Remember, in terms of anion, the largest anion is I minus and the smallest anion is H minus. In terms of atom, the largest atom is francium and the smallest atom is helium. If we compare the cations, the largest cation is cesium plus, whereas the smallest cation is H plus. Always remember, the cation has smaller ionic radius when compared to that of the neutral atom, whereas anion has greater ionic radius when compared to that of neutral atom.